Hi everyone, it's Peter from Urban 2A. Just wanted to take a moment and wish everyone a wonderful and happy new year. May you have a blessed year in 2021. Be good out there. Have a great time with your friends and family. Also, double check to secure any firearms if you have them in the home to make sure you don't have any accidents if you have friends and family over. Okay? Take care, be blessed again, and see you all soon.